Nakausap ko po kagabi ang ating Vice Presidente. Siyempre, in-update ko siya dun sa nangyaring ruling. Sinabi ko naman sa kanya that we have already requested for the certified true copy of that ruling. But whether we will be going up or we will just accept the ruling as it is, ay hindi po namin napag-usapan ng malaliman pa. Dahil siyempre, kailangan natin hintayin yung ruling. In any case, sabi ko nga, handa naman kami kasi nga, bago pa kami nag-oral arguments, we really maintained the disposition na may possibility talaga na ibigay lahat. No? So, we were ready for that nonetheless. Wala namang, kumbaga, as a matter of fact lang yung naging usapan namin. I-report ko lang na ito yung nangyari. She said, okay, well, you know what to do naman. No? Meaning, alam naman yan na handa kami kahit lumabas yung mga dokumento na yan kasi wala naman kaming talagang gustong itago.